What's up, y'all? We run Husqvarna saws. I got a couple little ones, like a 12-inch and a 16-inch. The one thing I found about these saws is that when they're nice and hot and you've been running them, they start great. We've just been cutting a bunch of stuff with this thing, and it starts fine. First pull, no problem. But every once in a while, I'll be cutting along and, you know, it might get hung up on something and it kind of shuts off abruptly. I have a tough time starting it. Takes 3 or 4 pulls. But let me tell you, if your saw doesn't start real good, let me show you a trick. This particular saw, the choke, all you have to do, put the choke full on, take the choke right back off. What that does is it puts it in high idle. So if you're having trouble with your saw starting, if you do that right there, put it up and then just take it right back off. Puts it in high idle, and it will start way easier. It works for me every single time. If I think I'm gonna have trouble starting it, set the choke, turn the choke back off. First pull every time. Happy sawing, y'all.